In this video, I'm going to show you how people are actually earning affiliate commissions, high commissions, even 100 to 500 per day using AI influencers. And the truth is, AI influencers are taking the world over and they are actually selling things, and you don't need to lift your hands or maybe record the video or do anything. What you need is actually to get a product that is actually on an affiliate program and then use an AI generated image or maybe an AI generated avatar to turn it so that it can sell your products while you are sitting or maybe relaxing somewhere, and you get the commission. Okay, the AI avatar or character gonna do all the lifting and you just have to promote using it and start earning money. Today I'm going to be showing you a very simple way to do this in a perfect way so that you can start actually earning commission as soon as possible. Let me tell you, this is something that I have tried personally and I know that it can work, and it is working for many people just like me who are doing affiliate marketing using AI influencers. So without wasting any time, let me go to my laptop and I'm going to be showing you step by step how I'm actually doing this and how you can also start doing it right now. So the very first thing we need to do is to have a prompt to generate our AI influencer. I normally use AI tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Mana's AI to actually create these kind of things. Now I'm going to use this prompt from actually ChatGPT and then go to my tool that I'm using. Once I'm on my tool, I'm going to actually do what? I'm going to actually create, we are going to be creating the character. So we're going to click on the character and then create character, and then we can start with actually text description or more, maybe photo description. Let me go to text description. I'm going to say she's a female. I want her to be 25 years old, or maybe let's say 20 years old. 23, 24, something like that. I want her to be more curvy, and I want her to be glamour. I want her to be black in terms of ethnicity, and also I want to give her more features, and I'm going to use this prompt: ultra realistic African female AI model, deep melanin skin, symmetric face, elegant neutral makeup, cinematic lighting, luxury beauty, editorial. Okay, slide now style, and then I'm gonna give her name. What should we call her? Let's say we call her Zaza. Okay, we call her something like Zaza, and then we generate. Once we have done, you can see Zaza has been generated just like that. She's beautiful, she looks super fine. Okay, now we have our character here, our AI influencer, the best that we can actually use. Now there are so many features that we can actually do. For instance, we can generate more images, we can change her outfit, we can change her style, we can actually use, this is the one that we're going to be using, product place. Let's say we want to change her outfit into something else. I'm going to take some outfits here. I already have them here on my forget about this one, on my let's say I want her to wear this, or maybe let's say I want her to wear something like this. I'm gonna take the outfit I want her to change into and then actually download this one. Let me just quickly download the current page. We are going together, guys, so don't worry. I'm using what, Canva, to actually store some of the things. Remember, I have removed the background. Okay, for those who are asking, should I remove the background? Yes, you have to. This is the current page that we want to download, and then we're gonna download. Okay, that is the first outfit. Let's say just I want to give her this outfit so that you can see the change. So we're gonna click here to upload the outfit. Okay, or maybe you can just actually drag and drop here. This is the outfit that we want her to change. Okay, we're gonna change the dimension. I'm gonna put here this 16 by 9. You can choose whichever you want, and then actually click generate, and within a few minutes or maybe seconds, 1 minute maximum, it's gonna start changing her. Okay, now as you can see, within a few seconds it has actually changed the outfit of the outfit. Okay, we're gonna download it, and then you can see this is her. Okay, now for instance, if I want to make a video, I could, but for now, because we want to focus on affiliate programs or maybe affiliate products, I'm gonna find a product here. I'm using early affiliate. So you go to your portals, you sign in. First you sign into any affiliate program, and then you see what you want to promote depending on your niche or depending on what you are into. Let's say for instance, I want her to wear which one should we pick? Of course, you have to pick something that you are interested, or maybe something that has a high commission. So let's say this doesn't have high commission, but I want her to wear this outfit, and by the way, it is beautiful. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is download all the products here. I'm gonna do like that, and then as you can see, it's gonna start for all of them. There are 72 on this page. There are so many of them, so we can just pick any one we want. The products, all of them here. Okay, you have to you have actually to do what, to have this extension, Chrome extension, so that you can start actually doing what, start downloading like this. Meanwhile, as it does that, we're gonna grab the link. Okay, this is the link of this affiliate. Okay, so before that, let's see. The images are here. So this is the outfit that we want to actually do what. I'm going to remove the background. Remember, I'm using Canva Pro. Okay, once I've removed the background, I'm going to extend this one to a larger so that you guys can see. So this is the outfit. I'm going to download this outfit, and then just like that, the current page, download it. Outfit here, for instance, we close this one, bring here. Give me a minute, let me just drag and drop here. So that is the outfit that I want her to actually wear today. So I'm gonna generate. Okay, so let's give it a minute, and I'm gonna come back once it has been actually done. What this is she's changing this one to this one. Then see, this is the cloth. Okay, it has changed, even though it has added something maybe like this, because it didn't pick everything, but you can see it is almost close to the cloth that we want to promote. Okay, super beautiful. And I want you to focus here, because it still remain the same, the face remain the same. Now if we don't want this one, we can still, you can download, you can actually find another one you want. For instance, let's pick another outfit that you want. I'm just using what, women's outfits for today. Let's say we want something else. Let's say I want which one? Let me say something short like this, and then we're gonna drop our image just like that, and then we're gonna actually do what, submit the task, and then we're gonna wait. Let's see, just like that, our cloth is here, super amazing. This is the cloth, this is the model, the face remains the same, and she's wearing the clothes. Wow, I'm super impressed by this. We can turn her into an image, or we can actually make her talk. We want her to say something about this clothes, so you're gonna actually add here, press that, and then I'm gonna select a voice that I want to use. Okay, mostly the prompt that I want to use, maybe something casual guy or live social media girl. Should I use this one? You can preview here.
This dress isn't loud, it speaks for itself. Sculpted lines, bold color, pure confidence.
Okay, I'm gonna remove the exclamation mark so that she can be natural, and then I'm gonna generate the audio. Once it has generated the audio I have added, you can actually even upload your own audio, and then I'm gonna generate the video. So let's give it a few minutes, around 3 minutes. So let's play and see.
This dress isn't loud, it speaks for itself. Sculpted lines, bold color, pure confidence.
Okay, let me zoom in so that you can see.
This dress isn't loud, it speaks for itself. Sculpted lines, bold color, pure confidence. This dress isn't loud, it speaks for itself. Sculpted lines, bold color, pure confidence.
Correct. So that is it. That is the first cloth. You can see the cloth and she's speaking very nicely. Her facials are still the same, maintained intact, and her identity is still the same. And then let's say we want her to promote a product. Okay, so we're gonna place here the product that we want. I already have some product here. I'm using different kinds of affiliate programs. I will go to my digistore, maybe the one that I use. For instance, I'm just gonna pick any. For instance, we want to promote this advanced amino formula supplement. Looks good. And then I'm gonna screenshot, come to Canva. Once I come to Canva, what I do is actually to place it here very nicely, and then I'm gonna remove the background, and what I'm gonna do is actually to download this. Let me bring the product that we want to actually for her to promote. Okay, and then we're gonna pick the dimension. Like I said, I want to use this one. I'm gonna generate. Okay, click generate, and it's gonna generate for us an image for her, maybe holding the product. You can add more scene here. That we have an image with her. Okay, you can see the face, everything is still the same. I'm going to download this one, and then we can turn this into a talking avatar. Now we want to promote this product. Okay, we're going to put here what our prompt. As usual, you can use ChatGPT to give you the prompt, or you go to the sales page of this one, click everything, or maybe click about the sales page about this product. Come to ChatGPT, give it actually everything. Tell it that this is the information about that product that you want to promote. Okay, once ChatGPT analyzes everything, you copy paste there. It's gonna summarize everything. Once it has summarized, what you're gonna do is actually you get the prompt, the AI influencer, the product that she's actually doing promoting. It is amino formula supplement. So let's say we want as 10 seconds maximum. Let's use most protein doesn't build muscle. Your body needs the right amino acid. Advanced amino formula delivers all 8 essential for strength, energy, and recovery. Link below. Okay, now we're gonna pick the voice. Like I said, any voice, you must make sure that you are going through these voices, or maybe you can even clone your own voice. Okay, let's say we said we are using the social media girl, so that one. Let's preview this. Our video is ready. 10 seconds. Let's download, and then because I normally forget to download, and then let's play to see how it went. Okay, let me zoom.
Most protein doesn't build muscle. Your body needs the right amino acids. Advanced amino formula delivers all 8 essentials for strength, energy, and recovery. Link below.
Now, as you can see, she's still the same person, still the same size, intact. Everything is actually, she keeps her identity without actually changing the eyes or the lip or the outfit and stuff like that. Super amazing, super beautiful. So
most protein doesn't build muscle. Your body needs the right amino acids. Advanced amino formula delivers all 8 essentials for strength, energy, and recovery. Link below.
Okay, and then one thing I wanted to actually notice, or maybe you might notice some things here, like maybe the name has been distorted, but it is something that we can actually edit, and then do what you can use this to actually promote your products. Okay, but from a far angle you can still see she's holding the product that we want to actually promote. Okay, now as a disclaimer, I have to say that this doesn't mean that when you are promoting these products or maybe the formulas that I'm sharing with you guys, doesn't mean that you're gonna actually get the same result. It doesn't guarantee you that you're gonna get sales overnight. Of course, needs so much to do in terms of hard work, in terms of actually persistent promoting, and also promoting on social media, especially on Pinterest, on TikTok, on your Instagram. And we never know actually how much you can make. So I'm not saying that this is a professional guarantee that you're going to be making millions of money, but this is one thing that people are using, and actually they are actually earning money just using style images like this. In terms of AI influencers, you can maintain her, or maybe I'm going to maintain her identity so that she can keep on promoting the products that I want her to promote. Something, let's come here, let's try something else. Okay, this is my dashboard. Let's try something else. Let's say something high commission, or maybe search for the product. Maybe let's say something like what can we search? Maybe juicer. Okay, let me see if I can find a juicer. I know it can be complicated sometimes finding these products, but let me see if I can find another product that I want her to promote. Okay, I'll say something like blender. Let's say this one, I want actually her to promote this product. As you can see, she's still the same person. I want you guys to see how amazing this. She's still the same person. I was trying to actually in a kitchen, a very nice kitchen, and the blender is here. This is the blender that we have given her. I think it has maintained everything. Okay, and then we can actually let her speak, but this time around I want to show you something else. You can actually turn her into video. Okay, so we're going to describe what we want her to do. For instance, has been actually generated. Let's see, or maybe let's click. Hopefully it is one of those. Super amazing. I love this one. I want you guys to see. I love this one. Let me play. She actually takes the juice. She doesn't take the blender, and then she uses it, and then okay, she sips the juice. Now I want you to notice something, guys. As you can see, her face, she maintains her face just like that. Hands on it, she has actually maintained her facial features, her body and stuff, and her outfit. Amazing, super amazing. Now, if you want to see more content like this, don't forget to actually go to my channel, subscribe, share, like, and turn that notification on so that whenever I post a new video, you are the first one to actually see.